What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to download photos from Google Images to your gallery on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, once you are on Google Images, you can look for some image, and if you like that one and you want to save that image, you need to tap and hold on that image. And now you need to move your finger out, so now you see that this image moving with my finger, and now I need to hold that finger on that screen, just keep it on the screen, and by another finger you can hop out your Safari browser. You still keep that finger on the screen, and now open up your gallery, and here you need to release that finger. So now you see that image was right now successfully saved to our gallery. I hope this video helped you out, so before you go, please like and subscribe.